I'm Andrey Kirillov, Chairman of Supervisory Board of CRPT TURON. It's a national track and trace operator which operates in Uzbekistan. Company is, as I said, national track and trace operator. It established 7 years ago, and now it's in the country with population more than 40 million. Its company provides the opportunity for track and trace in few industries like tobacco, alcohol, beer, and which is more important in pharma and in beverages. Our system which we operate is a system which is internationally made system which is work in 6 countries across Uzbekistan, and we are proudly operator of the system in our country. And product labeling is very important and maybe even the most important part of the process of track and trace. Because for track and trace the goods, you have to label it. And after that, you have to aggregate it. And our system provides a full scope of tools to label the products, especially pharma products, with a unique code, crypto-signed unique code. So every pack of the pharma has a different DataMatrix GS1 standard code. And it could be easily be traced using with a special mobile application and all scanners in drugstores and in hospitals. It's very good questions because we implement the pharma for 2 years already in Uzbekistan. We are tracing a very big decrease in faked and counterfeited drugs. So using our system, it's simply possible to sell illegal drugs in drugstores because all provisos in drugstores are obliged to scan the code. If this code is not recognized by the system, you simply cannot sell it. Same time, if the product already has expired, you cannot sell it. If something happens with the pharma product and the Ministry of Health decides that it should be taken away from the retail chain, it will be stopped sale immediately. So I will not, say the numbers, but we are facing a very huge decrease in sales of counterfeited goods in our country. Our system is a system which consists of a very huge amount of big data. So taking in consideration all this information which the system consists, pharma producers and the government can create their own survey on what it should be or should not be done on the pharmaceutical market. So it's not only the level of exact pharma product in each region, in each city, and in each village. It's also very important to understand the level of supply and the level of producing and the level of the stock for drug, especially in the period of like COVID or even any other some kind of epidemics. So government use dashboards which system provide to control the information and control the level of supply, a level of production on the market. So it's not only legal regulation, it's also smart regulation using all this huge amount of information. A thin red line, if I could joke that way, between pharma products and biological add-ons. So government in all these countries decide to add all these vitamins and all other these add-ons to be put in the list of trading goods, because some of them cost a lot, even more than real drug products, and there are no before that, there are no control of the structure and the nature of these products. Also, it's very important, and probably it will be done in the nearest future, everything which is used in hospitals, like needles and everything which is used for therapy and all that stuff have to be added, because there are also some cases of not good behavior, and it can be really fixed using our system.